Hey Paperlovers, welkom bij een nieuwe YouTube video voor HipKit Club. It's Josefine here, sharing a new process video using the July kit from the HipKit Club. And it's Mixed Media Monday, so I choose to use the color kit. And I love the background stamp in this color kit. So now let's go creating a new layout. First I start with white gesso, and I apply the gesso with my silicone brush, and I let my gesso dry before we starting a mixed media background. And in the July color kit, there is a background stamp from Prima Marketing, and in my other videos I'm using a clear stamp that looks like a stain as a background stamp and make my mixed media background. So this stamp is a little bit too big, so I cut my stamp into a stain of just something like this. So, and you think, oh no, she cut in the clear stamp. You don't have to cut your clear stamp, but the reason why I cut my stamp into a smaller size is that in this way I have better control where I want to stamp my ink or my mixed media background. So that's the reason why I cut this background stamp from Prima Marketing in the color kit from the color kit into a smaller size. So here we start making a mixed media background. My gesso is dry, and I use the spray, and I put a little bit of the spray colored Jenny B Blue from Shimmer Paints on clear on a plastic sheet, and with the clear stamp I pick a little bit up of the ink, and I stamp several times on my layout. On my background I draw a circle, and so I know where I want to put my mixed media ink on the background. And I repeat it several times until I'm totally happy with my background. And here I make some splatters using my watercolor brush, and I make blue splatters. Just I use the same color. And for my background I added a second color, and that is the creamy color and the berry hot, and I mix it with a little bit of water, and with my clear stamp I pick a little bit up of the paint and stamp again several times on my white cardstock background until I'm happy how my mixed media background turned out. So yes, it's a really fun technique, and I love to use the mix. I love to use the mixed media background stamp from the July color kit. I start decorating my scrapbook page with all the beautiful die-cast flowers from the embellishment kit from the HipKit July kit, and the beautiful summer sunny puffy title. I love these big titles, and this is a puffy puffy shaped title, sunny, and I definitely want to use this title for my layout, and my title will be Sunny Days. I choose for a black and white photo because I think the colors will be better when I'm using a black and white photo. So I decided to use some more mixed media, and I want to create mixed media circles. I'm using a piece of watercolor cardstock, and I spray a little bit of the shimmering paint spray Jenny B Blue, and I mix it with a little bit of water and splatter around with my brush. And I'm using a punch from HKC Success, and I punched several circles out of the mixed media background that I made. And here I'm using my sewing machine and stitched several circles on my background using a coral colored sewing trees. And when I'm done with my sewing machine, I going to decorate my page further with all the die cuts and mixed media circles that I punched out. But first I want to pick some design papers from the main kit that I cut to size, and I want to and that I put behind my photo. So there are a lot of design papers that I want to use, but I have to make a choice. So I choose 2 design papers that I cut to size, roughly edges, and place it behind my photo. And I'm using adhesive tape and 3D foam. And when all layers are in place behind the photo, I place my photo in the center of this page, and using some 3D foam. And the circles that I made, or that I punched out, I want to stamp on these circles, and I'm using a text stamp for that. You can use the stamp from the color kit, and you get some black stripes, but I choose for some text to apply to stamp some text on the circles, and I'm using a random text stamp for that. But first we're going to decorate my page with the die cast, the title, and of course then the circles and the butterflies. I love the puffy title Sunny, and for this layout I'm using the gorgeous alpha set from the main July main kit, and I think the color of this alpha set is light coral. It's not really pink or red. It's I think some coral colored look, and I love this alpha set. So after this video I decided to stitch the word days with my sewing machine and some sewing thread, and also I choose for to add some orange word strips, but that was after I was finished with my video. So sometimes when you are finished with your video, you want to add something else at your layout. And so on the photos you see the results of the stitching and the extra wash strips on this page. also made another cluster next to my photo, and I'm using a chipboard frame from, I thought, the Pocket Life Kids, from the July Kids, from the Hip Kid Club, and I added an extra flower on the chipboard frame. And I love how this cluster turned out on my page. Here I'm using, I use some butterflies, and these are stickers, but I decided to put the butterflies first on a piece of paper and cut them out with my scissor. And in this way I can fold the wings of the butterflies, and I creating more dimension in my scrapbook pages when I do that. So I love how that turned out. And here I add some more circles, mixed media circles, and combine it with the butterflies. And for a more beach look on this page, I'm making some white splatters using my white acrylic ink from Martha Stewart Crafts. The color is satin, and I mix it with a little bit of water, and I sprinkle a lot with the white ink splatters with using my brush. And I sprinkle a little bit more with the colors from the July color kit from the Hip Kit Club. So here I'm making some blue-green splatters from the spray, from the shimmer paint spray. And of course I made some splatters with the color Berry Hot that I mixed with a little bit of water and splatter around on my scrapbook page. So I hope I have inspired you with this layout, and I had a lot of fun with making my background with the background stamp from the July Kids from the Hip Kit Club. So don't forget to check the blog today and the Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration. And of course, I hope to see you next time on a YouTube channel with a new process video. And for now, wish you a crafty day. Bye bye.